my way.
No matter what you say or what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song.
Previously on Lay's Universe.
So I'm not even gonna play with y'all like everything was on Peaches and Cream. We just got on that boat. Hey vlog, back at it again. So oh my gosh, it was so crazy on them jet skis. Like it was such a big whole thing with the man that we had looked through. He was so unprofessional and it was just a bad experience all around. Y'all hear the music in the back. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. I don't even know what song this is. Anyways, but yeah, y'all, so we finna go to dinner right now. It was just so much. I got a video of me on the jet ski and everything. Oh, this little mark look actually kind of cute. Kind of look like a little, I don't know. But I'm probably gonna have to change. But this is my outfit. Gonna have to change because I think it's a dress code for the restaurant we went to. This is my outfit.
Tell mama that my phone broke. We gotta get a new one on Thursday.
This outfit I got on right now. So I'm trying to wear this to dinner, but I can't wear this to dinner because I think it's a dress code. So I'm probably gonna put in my dress. Let me show y'all the dress that I got. My birthday dress. My birthday trip dress. It's real cute, y'all. But don't think about it. I left my heels at home. I'm probably gonna have to wear some sandals. Anyway. Real cool, real bomb, real fire. But y'all, if y'all made it this far, comment the thumbs up emoji and like right now. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we go be on our way to the dinner. Made it to the restaurant. Hey vlog, I know y'all can barely hear me, but we just made it back from the place or whatever. And y'all, I'm lucky really tired. I'm lucky ready to go home. Like I'm having like, I miss my bed. Like I don't know why, but I do. Today was okay day. I feel like my day was kind of wasted from the unprofessional man from jet skis, but that's okay, I guess. Y'all, hold on. This will be a perfect spot for my confessional, but it's dark, so y'all can't even see. But y'all, I'm really going through it. Like, I'm sad. I kind of want to go home, and it's only the third day, basically the second day, if you want to be technical. Because we did a little bit of something yesterday for the first day. We let it, and I think today's the second day. Yeah, today's the second day, I think. And we were supposed to stay here 3 days, 4 days. 2 whole days and 2 half days. But y'all, I'm kind of ready to go home like now. And the restaurant we went to, it was okay, it was good, but it wasn't like boom, like it wasn't worth the money. Just I spent $100 on food today, like just on that food, not breakfast or nothing. But yo, I'm finna go walk the strip. Our bitch ain't square. Yeah, this the most belly stretch I wore in like a week. Or like a long, like forever. Period. Start with it. Just start with it. Just start with it. It's stank. It's stank. Oh, period. They got some bottles. Real cute. Should I get to the souvenir, y'all? Period. It's cute. What should I get? This one. They don't got no prices or nothing. This is cute. Yes. Period. I think I'm gonna try to get this one. Okay, let's see if they got in here. Nothing that I need. I got all of this stuff that I need. Oh, they got snacks. I can't even fit this in my suitcase. I forgot. I don't got no room. That's irritating. Ooh, some Pringles. Ooh, I want the fruit. Ooh, is it healthy? I mean, is it fresh? Cause it don't look fresh. Oh. Okay, y'all. So it's currently Wednesday the 30th, and y'all, it's so hot out here. Like, there's no chance of rain, no nothing. And y'all, I'm just a bit sick. I didn't really show y'all me getting ready or nothing today because I feel like I showed y'all me getting ready over and over and over again. So this time I'm gonna just get ready and just pop out like, hey y'all. So I woke up in a better mood today. And yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna show y'all better, but I'm gonna go get my entrance.
From the south, he tryna see me knock his socks out. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got loud. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cuffs her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him give me prick.
We out here. It's so hot. I'm having a good tan.
What's the movies you on right now?
I think I already showed y'all my outfit actually. But look at this. It's so much music out here, y'all. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. It's in different languages, so I'm not sure if it's copyrighted.
Trying. If it's beef, then let me know, baby. Why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie bitch. It's like a pussy. We all know that cat is giving fits. When I seen that dead cat, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about it, baby, be ready to die. I done done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left it to the game, but shit is not a joke. So hot, bro. Legendary smoke. She said it's up. Get on the floor. I done done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left it to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop.
Dang, they got less stuff on their menu. Their menu is huge. Dang, and it keep going. Oh, okay.
Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk. That shit on
Chicken, period. Hold on, wait. There's egg on there. But period. I got a silverware. Thank you. You're welcome.
Scramble these bitches myself.
Yeah, I think my eyes is better than my stomach. I know my food is so good. And I still got that food from that. Oh, y'all, let me get my
Tastes like butter, a little butter. I just taste it, but I don't believe it. Yeah, I think it's butter. I know they got French bread. How much you gonna eat?
Just play down. It's not nothing left. Stop. Cause they want to find some stuff. Oh, my skin is so dark. Period. That little chocolate thing that they can mess with. I'm really chocolate now, baby. Oh yeah, I need a Miami hat. But y'all, my edges sweated out. I took some pictures of whatever. Hopefully they cute. Cause lately I haven't been like really liking them. Look at this little fat thing. Oh yeah, it do damage for real. My business. But y'all, there's a lot of stuff in here. It's cute in here. Whew, it is hot out there. But it was these lizards. She talking about the lizards not gonna chase me. Baby, I seen them lizards be chasing them people. She talking about damn on me. Them lizards be chasing them people like for real. Whew. Baby, 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 baby. This is my little purse. I was trying to showcase it today because I already wore these. And my little sunglasses. Period. I'm getting dark. I'm be so dark when I go back home. Hey, baby, get up. Woo. Real young nigga. Hellcat with us. Certified dripper. Exotic makes it come from overseas. I'm laughing. So everything in the daytime don't be lit up high, be at nighttime. But it be like really hot out here, like for real. We finna go to some nights. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. I go like that. He's splitting poles and junk. Anyway. No, thank you. They got a wallet now thing. You know what's going? See the giant lollipop, y'all. Oh, this is a cute place. Giant pop, giant lollipop. Oh, this is the art museum. Oh, this is the art gallery. What is it? Oh, this what's up. Look at this. Oh.
Guest house. You mean the pink Lamborghini that's at the next house? Fuck him so good I got him walking with his chest
doubt. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sucked out. Whole city
I feel good. They got the Chanel box with the little flower rose. This one's fire. I need to take these pictures up. Look at all of this. I wonder if you buy these. You are amazing. Look at these. So cute. You are beautiful. Yeah. Oh, look at the Rubik's Cube. But this is so amazing. Whew. It's real hot though. I'm gonna get in it every real quick. Why? I want the 96. I'm gonna roll my suitcase. I'm so sad. He said that these were the kids that over here. These my PRs. I got. Huh? Let's see what they got, y'all. I'm gonna see my mama. Yes, like I want them. How much are they? That's it? Oh, good. Oh, I want to see. They only want to I want them pants too. I want them so bad. I need them. Oh, these are cute. I got them. And I got the other ones too. Yes, I want them ones too that came out the tan. They like this, but they tan.
Every time I sip on cocaine, I get drunk. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears in the drop over the phone. Get mad at herself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we do.
Yes, look y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is fire. Hey, only $30. I wish I had room in my suitcase so bad.
When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is.
Oh, they got backpacks. So I think I got my backpack.
I'm saying cause you know
Y'all, I'm so sad. So they didn't have nothing that I wanted. They didn't have nothing that I wanted. The stuff that they did have, he tried to give me these golden shoes with these like ribbon laces. Those was actually them first shoes I had. They was straight, but I just bought like 2 pair of ones. So I'm trying to stay away from the ones. And I really wanted them threes. I think they threes that just came out. The 10 ones. Y'all know that ones I'm talking about. Or some 90s, 60s. But they didn't even have that for real. Like, my friends was low-key hurt. They barely had women's shoes. They had these one dunks. They was cute. But I was gonna have to buy a whole bunch of stuff to go with them because I don't have that color at all in my closet. Why you walking across like this? Why you not working like that? Like what? Like this. But y'all, we finna go and either go to the pool or go to the Super Blue. I'm not really sure because the sun go down at 7:40 and Super Blue closes at 7 and it's 5. So we finna see how this works. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. The biggest swimsuit from Shein. Let's see where your swimsuit from. Best though, which is the only best ever. But y'all look. It's still in the daytime. The sun not really out no more, but it look way better in the daytime, y'all.
Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Guy and tonight.
Oh, these birds though, they going crazy on the beach.
They come with me.
No, come with me. I don't know. Why she think I'm finna go over there with her? Look at all these birds. What's going on? Look at this bird. This is like a wow. Mama would have been terrified. She's scared of seagulls. What type of birds are these anyway? They don't even look like seagulls. What's going on right now? It's something they know that we don't. And it's these little hawk ones in there. I've seen that big one. Oh, ooh, let's go. You ready? Oh, I'm scared.
Over here, Maya.
This old bird in the baby just was standing by. That was way.
They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care, you look so nice.
I'm gonna change right quick because I was itching. My skin's really sensitive, so I had to go get a shower right quick. So we back outside. I took a little fast shower right now. With top of dinner, I'm gonna go back and change again for my purse and my shoes that I got on, but I had to throw on a quick outfit. But y'all, we back outside with it. I'm the only one who decided to change, but I was the only one itching too. That's because my skin be really bad, y'all. Like my skin was welting up. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's my outfit, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. I just got something simple until dinner because I got this little romper for dinner. I'm just swapping to that. But this is just a lounge around outfit. It's real cute. Oh, it looks so good.
You do like a famous cool butter cake on the top, cookie monster on the bottom. You take your ice cream and then the hot press.
Oh, they got a cookie monster?
Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be living.
Oh, I want that one. I want s'mores. Yeah. We should have came here originally. I never seen this place though. you think? What you think I should get?
Okay with that butter real cake I gave you? You like chocolate ice cream?
No. I like vanilla. I don't like chocolate though.
I can do regular vanilla.
Can we do this? I'm finna get this. My glasses are lopsided. We should have came here recently. We got an ice cream cone for $6 and it was so fair. And it wasn't all of that. It didn't have enough, a lot of Oreos on it. So I'm gonna try this, see how it tastes. I got more cookies though. I'm gonna see how this looks. Kind of cool. Yeah, it's really good. You guys should come here. I'm thinking about it. It's hard to bite the ice cream. It's so cold. I was just want to eat the cookies.
See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow. You got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're already sexy boy. You're sexy boy.
That looks crazy. Alright, bro. So I got my tattoo. I'm putting the picture right here. Yeah. I'm sleepy. But I'm gonna pack my bags to go home tomorrow. We go home in the morning. I have fun. I'm kind of sleepy, I ain't even gonna lie. But, y'all, I'm gonna pack my bag. I don't know about procrastinating, so I'm gonna pack my bag for in the morning and make sure I got everything, because if I don't, I'm gonna leave something. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the mini market. So I got this little drawer thing. What's up, vlogs? So it's the last day in the morning. We go home. If y'all got this far, like, because I know this vlog probably, these two vlogs, if I make it 2 or 1, whatever, this vlog probably was the longest I ever made, but hopefully it was entertaining the whole time. Hit that like button, period. But y'all, I'm gonna get in the shower, do all the nightly stuff to get ready for in the morning. I'm really sleepy, low key. I just ate some good food. I did not record that though, but I did, and I got some fruit, y'all. I showed y'all my fruit though. I'm gonna get in the shower, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all an update because it's the last day and I get to go home. I'm happy about going home, but I'm not happy about going home because there's a lot of stuff I do at home, like take down my hair. I gotta take down my hair as soon as I land in Michigan. Like, I gotta go to school. I got homework. I gotta read chapters. Like, lane, boo, tomato, tomato, tomato. But anyways, y'all, I'm in this vlog when I land in Michigan. Just stay tuned and let me know what else y'all want from me besides vacation vlogs. But yeah, y'all, I've been getting a shower. looked like it rained yesterday. Bye, Miami. It's always cold for no reason. Oh, we stuck on a plane. No,
He's just hungry.
okay, bro, give him some chips or something. Yeah, so this little boy just threw it on the plane. And we sit here waiting for them to get off. They won't get off. They refuse to get off.
Will you be able to talk to them? You want to talk to them?
You get him a cracker?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question for the last time. Would you like to talk to them?
Yeah, can you get my son
Would you be able to talk to them?
I'm right here.
Yes or no?
I'm right here.
Just a moment. I'm going to put you on speaker.
Yeah, I'm right here. Can someone just maybe stick him a cracker? That would solve the whole issue.
Oh my God.
Hello? She doesn't want you on speaker.
I ain't got ever stop.
Hello?
Like my iPad. I like my face.
This way, hold on. This one or this one? That's it.
Bro,
They gonna get us.
they gonna kick us off next. Cause you're playing. Talk about my kid. No. Vlog, so it's the end. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that post notification bell so every time I post you can see, and comment what was your best part of the video, because period. Y'all, I'm gonna start my birthday prep vlog. Be ready and stay tuned.
Make a tap out, tap out, tap out, tap out.